Solar outdoor string lights are a great way to add ambience and practical lighting to all of your outdoor spaces. You don't need to worry about being close to an outlet with solar string lights, and the wide variety of designs and colors available provide unmatched flexibility to customize your yard. We'll review the best solar lights outdoor installation, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different solar lights outdoor installation. By the end, you'll know exactly which best solar lights outdoor installation is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The GIGALUMI Solar Outdoor Lights Lantern Set is a beautiful and practical way to enhance any indoor or outdoor space with soft, decorative lighting. This 12-pack of crackle glass globe lanterns provides a charming glow with cold white LED lights, making them perfect for gardens, yards, patios, porches, fences, or even as elegant decor for weddings, parties, birthdays, and holidays. Each lantern is crafted from premium materials, featuring a shimmering crackle glass design, durable stainless steel hook, and upgraded solar panel for improved efficiency. Designed with IP65 waterproofing, these solar lights withstand various weather conditions, from sunny days to rainy nights, ensuring year-round reliability. They are fully solar-powered, charging in 6 to 8 hours of daylight and delivering 8 to 10 hours of illumination at night, saving energy while adding beauty. Backed by GIGALUMI's brand quality assurance and 6-month after-sales support, these lights make a thoughtful gift and a durable, eco-friendly addition to any home decor. Thanks for watching the video.